Want to know how to select a title in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options right here. And now right below activities on the bottom you should be seeing something known as profile. So you can just simply select it. So now once you select your profile should open up, and by default you should go under avatars. So right beside avatars you should be seeing something known as titles. So you can just simply select it. Now you can see by default you shouldn't have any title, and now if there are any titles that are unlocked you can just simply see it right here. So for me I have this 5th anniversary celebration, so you can just simply select it and it should look something like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily change your title in Paladins. So you can just simply select get more as well, and you're good to go with the golds and crystals and much more. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.